Today I'm walking around the Metaverse again, and this time I'll show you the Fidelity Stack building. It's interesting because it's used as an alternative to the website. Instead of creating a landing page with information about its product, the company decided to build a multi-story virtual office. Why did they do it and what are the advantages? Let's figure it out in this video. I already said the building is called the Fidelity Stack. It's located at coordinates -2728 and belongs to the US brokerage company Fidelity Investments. They recently launched an index fund that invests in the Metaverse. Sounds a little bit complicated, don't you agree? I mean, what is an index fund and the Metaverse may not be obvious to clients, but the company has found an original way to solve this problem. To mark the launch of the new service, Fidelity Investments opened its office in the Decentraland Metaverse. Let's go in and see what's in it. Before entering, a welcome message appears and a disclaimer warning about the risks of investing. There is a banner right next to the door. It explains what to do here. The creators of the building offer to learn about the Metaverse, the basics of investing, and also promise to talk about their new index fund. And all of this in a quest format. We need to collect 10 glowing orbs. Let's try to do it. We go up on the second floor and on the way on the stairs we immediately pick up the first orb. True, this is not quite an orb, but some other figure. If anyone knows what it's called, write it in the comments. What's the Metaverse? Think of it like the 3D version of the internet, the caption says. Very true definition, I completely agree with it. That is, if a person came to Decentraland for the first time, for example, he moved from the Fidelity website, then such an analogy will help him quickly figure out what is happening here. This is the same website, only you need to move here not the cursor but your avatar, and instead of a canvas of text, banners and sculptures are placed here. For example, everything here is about what a Metaverse is. It's like walking through a museum and discovering interesting facts on the way. The next floor is dedicated to index funds. They are called ETFs for short. There are also a couple of sculptures and a short video. The third floor is dedicated to the very product for which this building was built. Here is information about the Fidelity Metaverse ETF. What kind of fund is it, how does it work, what companies are included in it and how to invest in it. You can click on each banner to read the details. That is, at first we learned what the Metaverse is, then about the fact that there are funds that choose companies from one area and invest in them. And now we have learned about a specific one that invests in companies related to the Metaverse. So it's like we just climbed the ladder of understanding, literally. Next is a nice interactive. We click on the buttons with the names of different areas: gaming technology, smartphone, digital infrastructure, web development, and so on. The flying cubes merge with each click and eventually turn into the name of the fund. This is a kind of a summary that illustrates the meaning of the product. It shows that the Fidelity Metaverse ETF consists of shares of companies related to gaming technology, smartphones and other areas with the same name as these buttons. And now we finally see the dance floor on the roof and hear the music. Here you can celebrate passing the quest or take a selfie. Nearby is a pop-up machine that gives visitors a collectible NFT as a keepsake. Perhaps in the future the owners of these NFTs will receive a discount or some other nice bonus. Who knows? By the way, collecting all the orbs for the first time you walk the building is not so easy, and many will want to find each of the 10 pieces. And for this you will have to re-walk past all the objects and remember everything again. So it's a tricky way to convey information to customers and talk about your product. It's unlikely that even a very experienced web designer would be able to achieve such goals so effectively on a regular website. Moreover, the information here is the same that could fit on the landing page. The difference is that various mechanics have been added that are only available in the Metaverse: a quest with orbs, gift NFTs, all kinds of interactives. In the meantime, I have already managed to collect all of the 10 orbs. In the comments, suggest what place in the Metaverse you would like to know about next time.